Good morning, boys and girls. Miss Bear coming to you today with our math lesson of the day. We are going to read and write our numbers to 9. Let's go ahead and get started. Go ahead and count these objects. I have 5 orange buttons and 3 red buttons. How many buttons do I have altogether? 5 orange buttons. Get that number stuck in your head. 3 red buttons. Count on. I have 8 buttons in my basket. Let's try another one. How many hearts do you see in my tens frame? That's right. I see 6 hearts in my tens frame. Remember, we always fill the top row from left to right, and then we return to the left to start filling our second row. So we see 6 hearts in our tens frame. How many yellow dots do we see in our tens frame? That's right, we see 8. Remember, we fill our top row from left to right with 5 yellow dots, and we continue on to the second row from left to right. 6, 7, 8. Last one. How many dots are in our tens frame? Great job. There's 7. All right, let's go ahead and get out our writing boards. We're going to practice writing the number 9 today. All right, now that you've gotten your writing board, we're going to very quickly show you how to make a number 9. To make a number 9, you start right around the skyline. You make a circle and a line. Ooh, maybe I can do that a little more straight on the next one. Let me try that again. Make a circle and a line. That's how we make the number 9. Now I'm going to add something in here to help me remember 9. Here we go. I'm going to add a shape. And I'm going to use a smiley face because they make me happy. Help me count out 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Why don't you draw 9 of something down in this bottom box while you have time? Remember, first we make a circle, then we make a line. That's how we make the number 9. Hope you guys have a great, oh my goodness, where did my number 9 go? Let me try that again. First we make a circle. No. There we go. Oh my goodness. First we make the circle, then we make the 9. That's how we make the number 9. I hope you guys have a great afternoon. Talk to you later.